Good morning! Here we are on our third and fourth day here in Singapore. We started our morning with an early quick buffet breakfast at the hotel. Then ayan yung view namin habang kumakain. Please abangan nyo, gagawa ako ng separate video about this Today, hotel. Kailangan maging maaga para ma-maximize ang buong day kasi super dami nang nakaplan sa itinerary namin. Right after breakfast, nag-check out na rin kami. Pero syempre hindi muna kami aalis nang dala-dala lahat ng maleta. We left our luggages sa luggage counter para hassle-free ang gala namin today. Babalikan na lang namin yan later tonight bago kami dumiretso sa airport. From hotel, nag-grab na lang kami and our first stop for today is the iconic Marina Bay Sands. Then drop by sa Merlion Park. Grabe, iba pala talaga yung vibe dito. Ang ganda ng view at ang perfect for photo ops. At syempre, hindi namin pwedeng palampasin ang classic post na yan na parang iniinom mo yung tubig ni Merlion. And after enjoying these spots, we headed straight to the highlight of the day, the Universal Studio. Super excited kami to spend the whole afternoon here. Imagine, rides, shows, and all the theme attractions. Perfect bonding time talaga for the whole family. Then yan, naging minion kami for a minute. Isa to sa naging favorite part ko dito. We also had a chance to watch and say hi to Shrek and Fiona. Sobrang cute pa rin nila at yan naman yung castle nila. We tried some of the most popular rides, explore different zones, and of course, took tons of pictures and videos para ma-share sa inyo. After a few rides, gutom na ang mga baby dragon, so we headed to Jurassic Park Zone to try Jurassic food. Umorder lang kami ng hotdogs, nugget, fries, and drinks to cool off. Mag-share lang kami dyan dahil grabe, sobrang mahal. While enjoying our food, suddenly, T-Rex came out together with the Team Rangers. Then yan, nagkaroon sila ng little mini show. Grabe, sobrang saya kasi ang realistic ng costume and sounds. After enjoying all the rides in Universal Studios, of course, hindi pwedeng walang souvenir. Instead of buying keychain, t-shirt, we choose na lang the Globe, the famous Globe souvenir. Kahit mahal, alam mo namang good quality, para may reminder na rin kami. Now, once in our lives, we've been to this amazing place. From there, we booked a Grab going to Marina Bay Circuit. This is to grant Ate's request to see the F1 racetrack. She's such a fan, kaya pagbigyan natin yan. Kaya yun, nag-walking tour kami, taking photos. Ang cool din pala makita in person yung racetrack na napapanood mo lang dati sa TV. After that, we headed to the end of the Marina Beach and hop on a train going to Chinatown para kuhanin ang luggage na iniwan namin sa hotel. Then, nag-grab na lang ulit kami papuntang Changi Airport to catch our 1 a.m. flight back home. But since maaga pa for our flight, we made the most of our time and explored the Jewel Changi. Naglakad-lakad, did a bit of window shopping, and enjoyed the Rain Vortex Nightlight Show. Sakto pagdating kasi namin, pasimula pala. Tapos yun, biglang nabudol sa On Cloud Store and finally, after 6 years, mapapalitan ko na rin yung running shoes ko. Nakakasad lang dahil hindi pa under ng GST refund yung store nila dito. Newly open pa lang daw kasi as in 1 month pa lang. As a pink girly, nalungkot din ako na hindi available yung pink sa size ko. Sunod, mag-GST refund na ako para naman dun sa mga nabili namin na may refund. Sobrang dali lang pala gawin ito as in kahit first time mo, yan, i-scan mo lang pala yung passport mo. Tapos yan, approve na. Ate also scored the Victoria's Secret Bombshell. Yung fragrance mist lang for everyday lang naman. Super good deal kasi tax-free. Ang sarap sana mamili dahil ang mumura kaso hindi tayo anak ng kontraktor. So yun, grabe, what a day. From sunrise hanggang past midnight. Punong-puno ng adventures and memories ang last leg ng Singapore trip namin na to. Sobrang sulit ang pagod kasi ang daming unforgettable moments from morning photo ops hanggang Universal Studio fun. So yun, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned in the next one. Bye!